Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email Bills payable and bills receivable book. Bills receivable and bills payable entries are made in journals recording the details of bills payable and bills receivable in a chronological order. When large number of bill transactions take place in an organization, it is convenient to maintain a separate book which becomes a part of journal book. The total of bills receivable book is posted to the debit side of bills receivable account, and the total of bills payable is posted to the credit side of bills payable account. In respect of each of bills receivable, the customer's account is credited in the ledger. Transactions related to bills receivable and payable. 1st January 15 received from X an acceptance of 2 months for rupees 2000. On 5th January, acceptance of P at 3 months for rupees 8000. On 15th January, received from Y an acceptance for 4 months for rupees 4000. On 18th January, discounted X acceptance for rupees 1960. On 19th January, received from Z an acceptance for 2 months for rupees 12,000. On 20th January, acceptance to Q at 2 months for rupees 3,000. On 21st January, renewed acceptance to P by paying him cash rupees 4,000 and accepted a fresh bill of rupees 4,200 at 4 months, rupees 200 being interest charge. On 22nd January, Y's acceptance endorsed in favor of Ram in full settlement of a debt of 4,500. Bills receivable book. This book shows the acceptance received so it will not show other entries related to bill of exchange. So this shows, the first column shows the name of acceptor, and the second column shows receipt from. These two are normally same but may differ. Next column shows the date of bill, next column the term, and the next column date of maturity, the amount, and remarks. So the transactions like discounting of accepted bills, etc. will not appear in bills receivable book. Bills payable book. This book shows all the acceptance given to the drawer of the bill. So the first column, the columns may be one date of bill, and the name of drawer, name of payee, they may differ, then terms, and the date of maturity, and the amount. Discounting, etc. will not be noted in this, not be entered in the bill, but a remark of discounting and renewed, endorsed, etc. will be put in the remarks column for own reference. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.